Rob, Doctor's Toy Store here. If you're looking for brand new Ellmans, we have them. We bought the existing ones in boxes. So if you want an Ellman FFPF, a 4.0, a Pelave, we don't have any of the classics new, but we have the Pelaves, the 4.0s, the FFPFs. So if you're looking for new or used, or you want a repair done on yours, there's no better place on the earth than to call the Doctor's Toy Store. We also have the supplies that go with them. So for all of your Ellman supplies, medical equipment, repairs, or brand new Ellmans, trade in the old ones because you know they're good. And the main thing is they don't scar. The RF does not scar as much as, say, the Valley Labs or the other ones. So call the Doctor's Toy Store. We'll repair them. We'll help you get rid of the old one. We'll buy them for parts. And we have new in boxes with a warranty. Call 877-DRS Toys today. We also have your tables, autoclaves, and everything else you need for the OR. Call today. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.